Hello, everyone. I wanted to go over what we're looking at as far as Tesla. Um, we've got some concern here with Tesla breaking a large support level. All right. So, right about here is support on Tesla. Now, you guys know Tesla ran up all the way to about 400 and change. All right. And now we're breaking a big level here for support. Okay, so support is right here. And this happened really this week. Okay, so currently Tesla is at 163.57. But the main concern here is that sellers are now in control, all right, of Tesla. If we bring in a sell short signal, now I'm going to show you guys before we do that. Let's remove these here. We'll bring this back in. All right here. All right, this was our markup phase. So this is where buyers were in control. All right, the buy signal started here at 25 and change, went all the way up, all right, to 406. Actually closed. This was our sell signal here to close. Now, this is on the weekly time frame. All right, so I know a lot of you don't trade on the weekly time frame, but it doesn't matter. We can look at big picture price action to let us know where price will go next. Our sell signal right here, right, white arrow right here to get out of Tesla was at 225. All right, so buy signal $25, sell signal right here 256 and change. And from then on, guys, Tesla has struggled. All right, so this is our markup phase, markdown phase. All right. The last buy signal we had, now this on the weekly time frame, was right here at 281 and then broke support right here for a sell signal at 207. Now, we haven't had a buy signal since then, okay? But we do have a sell short signal, and I want to show you guys this, all right, so that this makes sense. So we do have a sell short signal when the price broke support. That's not good for buyers. That's not good for the bulls. All right. So we have a sell short signal, that red arrow right here, little triangle right there. And what that indicates is that price broke a big support level. And now Tesla, all right, Tesla should move a lot lower. So we've got really good support here. Sell short signal here. These red candles, those are sellers. All right. So if we're long, we want to be very, very careful because sellers are now in control, right? Not like here, right? In the markup phase, when we had green candles, buyers were in control. We're breaking new resistance levels. Here, we're breaking new support levels. Okay. Now, if you guys look here, this is important, all right, to understand. Even if you're in Tesla, it's a big deal. If you're not in Tesla, right, it's still great knowledge to understand how these markets work so that we're not stuck in positions, right, and being on the wrong side of the trade. Support. Now, I wouldn't call this support. I would just call this a low. The next low we have on Tesla is right here. Now, this is right around $100. All right, so right around $100 is where we've got new support levels. So let's bring that in right here. So right at $100, right here, 105, right here, $100, we've got a low. All right, we don't really have support like we do here. We have a low. So there's a good chance, guys, if we make it back down to $100, which it looks like it could. I mean, anything can happen. We know that as traders, but the next target is right about here, $100. Now, if it breaks through the low right here, it could go much lower, down to $25. $25 is where we have a lot of support, okay? But if you guys look here, here is your triangle, right? Here is your triangle. So let's remove this so you guys can see this clearly. All right, so here's your triangle here, lower highs, lower lows. Here is your support. All right, here is your big break, sell short signal coming in. next target right here, a low of around 100. If that doesn't hold, all the way down here to 25. All right. So I just wanted to give you guys an update on Tesla. All right. We were hoping that, hey, buyers could, come on in, break through that resistance here. We started to see some buyers coming in here, green candles. All right, perhaps break this resistance here or even the high here and move higher. That's failing. That is not happening. All right, so sellers are in control. All right, so be careful. All right, if it breaks down and if the market breaks down, right, also we could see Tesla move a lot lower. All right, guys. So be careful. Be careful with Tesla. Take care. Bye bye.